Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a basic guacamole dip. You can have it on a salad or with some chips or even as a light dinner just by itself. It's extremely healthy and very light. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here 3 ripe avocados, just the size of my palm, and I have washed them. We need some pepper powder, 1 small onion chopped finely, 1 small tomato also chopped finely, half a cup of cut coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1 green chili cut in small pieces, and half a lemon juice. First, I'm going to cut these avocados, and the way you do it is basically from both the sides, so the top and the bottom, cut it in the middle just like this and start moving around in circular motion. So basically give a cut on the side where you feel the seed. You have to cut deep till you feel the seed. So now it's well cut. Just twist it like this and open it. Look at that. It's nice and ripe. Now we are going to take off the seed. Just start pressing it like this and the seed will come out. Go ahead and remove the seed just like that. There is some avocado attached to it, so just take it out. So here is the clean seed, and this remaining half, what we're going to do is we're going to give it a cut and make 2 halves like that. And now we'll take one and we'll start peeling it like this. Just take out, it comes out easily, and do the same on the other side. So carefully just start taking out the cover from the sides. Do the same for the other half, and that's how you have your first avocado peeled. Just continue this process on the other avocados as well, all 3. Press it, take out the seed and peel them. Now remember that avocado, once it's exposed to oxygen in the air, it kind of starts getting brown. So whenever you make this dip, make just enough that you feel it will be finished, because you really can't keep it. You just have to throw the remaining one because it turns black. So here we are finishing out peeling the avocados. Nice green color. Now let's start making the dip. We are going to take a big bowl and drop in all the peeled avocados in. Now we'll add the salt, and with the help of a beater we are just going to smash them. Just take your time and mash them well. It's not completely a paste, there are few lumps, and that's exactly what you want. Now add the chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander. If you feel it's too much, just keep it on the side. Chili, some pepper powder, and give it a mix. The colors itself are so good and so healthy. I'm just going to add all the remaining coriander as well. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice, so just squeeze the half lemon that we have. That's good. Again, give it a good mix, and our avocado dip is ready. We're going to serve it in a bowl. I'm going to enjoy this dip with some nacho chips, but like I said, you can always have it with a sandwich or over a salad or just like that. It's really yummy and extremely healthy. If you've liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.